Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Milsey and I'm an inspiring cabin crew. And after seeing the thumbnail, you have get an idea. Yes, this video is all about my another Indigo cabin crew experience. So watch this video till end because at the last I also share the questions and some tips with all of you. So without any waste time, let's get start the video. So I gave my interview on 17th of December. Yes, 17th of December, and I just get ready. I reached there around 9:13 a.m. and there were a lot of candidates. My token was 103 and I waited for a very long time after 2 hours. And when my turn came, I gave my interview with another 9 girls. And when we entered the room, HR asked the question of all of us. After 10 to 15 minutes later, our interview was final, and ma'am told that please lady, you wait outside. After 10 to 20 minutes later, I'll announce the result. So after 20 minutes, ma'am came and announced the selected candidate's name, and she called only 2 girls' name who get selected, and 8 of us got rejected. And after 5 minutes, I met a girl, and she asked me, "What's your attempt?" And I told her that it's my second attempt. And she was, "You are coming an upcoming interview?" And I said no. But Siki, why are you not coming upcoming interviews? And I said I was rejected 2 times. It's my second attempt, so I'm very disappointed and I will not come again. And then she motivated me that it's my 28th attempt and I will again and again. So why are you want to quit your cabin crew interview? So I said I will not come again and I never face the rejection again. And she motivates me a lot, and then she said please you can come again and again because we don't know in next time it's our luck. So I decided that okay, she motivated me a lot, and thank you so much if you watching my video. It's all for my Indigo cabin crew interview experience. I got rejected that day and I am very disappointed. Come back to home, and let's talk about questions. So I collected the question from the other girls. So the questions was like that. She asked me my introduction, and she asked me, "Oh, okay, Milsey, tell me something about yourself." And then she asked me, "Milsey, are you from Delhi or not?" And I told, "No, ma'am." And again, and that third question was, she asked me, "What was your travel experience?" And she asked me, "What's your father do? Why do you want to become a cabin crew?" So my question was that like that. So I want to talk about another questions of from girls. Ma'am asked that why do you want to become a cabin crew? What are your hobbies? If not cabin crew, then what? If why do you want to only join Indigo Airline? Are you experienced or a fresher? And one question, describe your birthday. And one question was ma'am asked from a girl is that if you not selected today, what will you do? Some tips. The tips are please girls wear the formals because there was a lady who wear the trousers and ma'am clearly told her that please go and arrange the stockings and a skirt, then you will come. The second one is register yourself. Yes, register is mandatory. If you are selected for, if you clear your first round, your second round and the third round is BMI round, as you all know. If you don't, they clearly said no, go and register yourself, then you will come back. So please ladies, register yourself. And the third one is never ever give up, as I want to give up, but she motivates me a lot, and then I will not give up until I will not get selected. So this is my all about my Indigo cabin crew interview experience. If you watch this video till here, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.